Hello employers, my name is Jenaline Pipio. I'm 48 years old. I'm a Filipina domestic helper. My status is married. I've been working in Hong Kong for 9 years. I'm passionate in taking care of child, and I love to do the household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, and marketing. I also take care newborn to 4 years old at Hong Kong. And my second employer, I also take care the kids age 4 years old to 6 years old. And if I'm given the opportunity, I am willing to work with the best of my ability. And I am trustworthy and hardworking. I love to work at the household course, and I'm willing to learn new things, and I'm I'm willing to do the household course, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.